Thanks for watching a sneak preview of bonus video number 2. This is where we're going to train you on using data sets for your credit repair business. Not sure what a data set is? Well, you're going to fully understand them after taking this course, really after this one lesson. So in the credit repair industry, working with data sets is crucial. Whether it's for automating responses to client inquiries or analyzing credit reports, data training can be complex. You know, the uncertainty of how to create, format, and train data with ChatGPT may leave any AI newbie completely overwhelmed. What's the right way to choose a data set? How do you format as an input into your data pairs? Well, these are things that you need to know. Another question we get all the time is, how do you train the model to effectively suit your credit repair needs? You know, if you misstep in any of these areas, it can lead to just wasted time and inefficient results. It hinders your progress. So here in bonus number 2, we're going to give you a comprehensive guide to mastering data sets with ChatGPT, specifically curated for credit repair professionals. This exclusive screen share video in this lesson will lead you through understanding the concept of data training. It'll help you choose the right data set for credit repair tasks. All of this stuff is really important. You'll learn how to format your data with precision. It gives you conceptual training of the model using proven techniques. Again, very important stuff to learn. Then it's going to walk you through testing and evaluating the model, ensuring it aligns with your client's credit repair goals. This is just one of over 40 lessons in our course, so go ahead and enroll now, and we'll see you on the inside.